Senator Uba don come outside o, himself don come outside come talk him own. Talk say this Heritage Bank people wey come in house. I know say most of una go don watch am when we talk say some Abuja staffs of Heritage Bank go this governor house say the man dey owe them money o, say the man collect loan for their hand. And see as e be, they never even get money. This man never even decide say he wan pay this money back. And see as the matter be, them as staff, they don dey threa ten say they wan sack them, they go comot from work if this man no pay this money. Well, all of us dey here dey kata dey shout say make this man return this money back to them. But as the matter be, this governor don come outside with vexing mood. This man don para talk say he wan carry this bank go court. See, on top of person money person dey hey governors, una see una 419 ways. Person borrow you money, now you wan carry the person go court on top of their own money again. And in fact, na a lawyer na come back, I can't talk this one. In lawyer, wey they call him Ahmed Raji, say this thing wey this bank people do, it don't expose this governor to ridicule, shame and embarrassment. Yes, we know say you dey embarrassed, but if you no borrow money, I'm not sure say that these people go come outside, can't talk say make you pay them their money back, because me I know say something and they lead to something. And say this whole protest wey these people go do, say they do it intentionally. Say they do am intentionally just because of say they know say him be aspirant for Anambra governorship primary election. Say this man won't go for election, I make them these people come sit down and decide say now they won't come collect their money. Una dey hear wetin this man sef dey talk. But wait, even if they do this thing intentionally, you wey collect loan, you no know say you go pay back the money. Abi if you collect money, you think say the money na for vanishing. You just won't collect the money, say make the money enter your pocket, case don't close. You no plan say you won't pay this money back. Because I dey reason say now what you dey feel for this whole matter. And as the matter be like this, say this whole thing where these people do, they just use and say they won't spoil in campaign. I say one contest now as the president of Nigeria where he won't go for. So people won't spoil in campaign so that if he come and say he won't go for this, nobody go vote for him. Okay, I'm not sure say na the reason. This bank get reason for doing this one and said the only way now this one I bust my mind. Said the only way for them to forgive them now make them write apology letter inside national dailies, newspaper, make them write and print them for them. They make them pay them 5 billion. I not talk say million, 5 billion naira for damages. I beg, what is the damage? They come your house, come spoil your house. I be waiting the damage for your body. You the owe person. Person say give me my money back. Now you want the request. In fact, how much you they owe? Because for you to request this 5 billion naira, it means say you won't come out your own money. Can't even get change. See politician, this Martin saying wise. Welcome to Nigeria, where money they important pass the truth. Person come as I can't tell the truth. Say this man collect money since to pay no gree pay. Now you can't turn up, you won't twist the whole thing because of say wetin you get power. Say you be politician. As you come as I say, I think say you won't come talk say true you dey owe them but you go pay. You don't even talk anything close to that one. This man no even talk say he borrow the money or say he take give am. He no even talk anything rich like that too. Now another thing. Something when you even get sense, make they pay him 5 billion. Where they want see that money for? If your political career won't end, in fact, it best make it just end though. Because I sure say, you self as a man, when you go call your lawyer, you know say you there at fault. For not returning this money at the due process. In fact, this bank, they even fuck up. They over fuck up. Because that is one way they even go there, go there demonstrate. Me, I even talk and say, you know they professional at all. If I say themselves, they don't get work. Because if I get work for office, all of them no go carry in herself, dress, wear canvas, wear t-shirt, say when they go protest. At least when I get lawyer, make a lawyer go meet this man, tell him say, okay, money where you collect, oga, money where you borrow, the money time to pay him, you don't reach. And I go explain and give him like that. No be saying I won't decide saying the only way now to protest because this one now they don't see him as political campaign. They don't see and say, I do this one just to spoil your reputation. Oga, abeg, do the needful. Mr. Amba, go pay them these people their money. And forget all this your talk way, they talk all this English when I go right. So when they can't apologize. They feel apologize, yes, so. But first, you self pay them their money. Because this one way they do. In fact, na tiffin work na they do. This one na jibole, only. Now they suppose they call you, only. Because if you pay them their money, I no see the reason. When we say this whole matter self go even come outside. If say you don't give them their money, Nobody go come outside say they wan come protest now. Now because you no pay them this money in the first place, now make themselves come decide say, make themselves come outside now. They don't try to reach you. As you don't too big, they know they fit see you again. So when they protest, maybe if they protest, you go hear that one. And as it be, you don't hear them. So I beg, give them their money back. If they won't pay you the compensation, they go pay you, but at least pay your own first. Make them no come they do 419 things for here. Everybody know all of them. Say now so now they be everything mago. Person come as I talk through, now go turn on to force. I beg, pay them their money, make we know as this matter won't take end. My people, I hear this one, no, I want to make a bring and come for now. Make myself use now ear, here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video to other people. I go see you now for the next video.